guys, welcome back. This week's video is all outfits. I'm going to show you every outfit I wore this week. This is I'm running errands, I have to go to my kids' soccer game, I want to look good but I don't want to look sloppy. The reason why this outfit works is because of the shoes. The shoes are short. It's really impossible to get things done when you have high heels on. Keeping with a nice short heel will really help you achieve what you need to during the day. These shorts are really easy, they're lace, they're not too short so it keeps it very appropriate. They're playful, they have a little print on the bottom. And then this pack is my lifesaver. I can keep everything in it, including my cell phone, all my receipts, and I'm hands-free, so it's really convenient. A very easy graphic t-shirt. You know, you can get these everywhere. Cotton, breathable. And then a fun earring just to tie in the white. Now, Brutus, go on. Now, if you live in an area that it's starting to get cool, like all my Canadian girls, my Vancouver girls, just get a light bomber jacket and throw it over your shoulders. It's really easy to wear it like this. It's trendy, it's cool. It looks like you're not really trying that hard, and it's convenient. So you can just throw it in your car, and if you're cool on the soccer field or maybe in the grocery, just sling it on your shoulders, and it keeps it really kind of playful and young and fun. Okay guys, if you really want to step it up, you can just put a little cute hat on, say you don't want to do your hair that day, or it's raining or a little bit nasty out. Of course, then you can add some sunglasses. And then it becomes really chic. Here's my second outfit. I had a very important business meeting this week, so I wore a very wide leg white pant, a white blouse. I love this blouse with the big bow. This is really the accessory in this outfit. It's this gigantic big bow. I love it. Very YSL. And just a simple bag so I could keep my papers and my pen and all my stuff that I need. And this was my professional outfit this week. It is okay to wear an open-toe shoe in a professional setting as long as your pants are covering your feet. If your feet are really exposed, you need to be wearing a pointed shoe, a pump. It can be a slingback, but it has to be a pump. And if this doesn't work for you because of the open shoulder, let's put a jacket on. This jacket is great because it has one button, so it really pulls in the waist. So if you're looking for a blazer that's really fitted on your body, look for a blazer that has one button. It's really going to pull in your waist and really show the narrowest part of your body. But just adding a blazer keeps this very professional. And just keep the earring really simple, because if you do a really large earring, it's going to really fight with the bow. It's going to be too much. Here's another outfit I wore this week, a very casual romper. If you are a girl that struggles to get dressed, you have a very casual life, and you have a bunch of kids, buy some rompers. They're really easy. It's one piece and you're done. So I just put this simple black romper on. Of course, my fanny pack, so I'm hands-free. Flat shoes so I can get stuff done, and a hat because it rained every day. So this is a very casual, easy outfit. The outfit I wore this week, this is an outfit I wore out for girls' night out. Just a cute little crop, beautiful dress pants, little shoes. All right, this is my last and final look I wore this week. It was very cutesy and girly, just a one-piece jumper. I love jumpers. I love dresses without sleeves because you can layer turtlenecks underneath them, chiffon blouses. There's so many things to do with dresses that don't have sleeves. So I wore this to work, running around. Of course, these shoes are not good for running around. I didn't think I actually had a lot of errands that day, and then of course I did. Added a brooch and some Chanel earrings just to Chanel it up a little bit, because of course tweed makes us think of Chanel, and tweed really works in the fall because it's kind of thick and warm. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. If you love styling, wardrobe, fashion advice, fashion tips, everything styling and fashion, this is your channel. Please subscribe, and please turn on the notification bell. By turning on that little bell, every time I do a video, you're notified. If you don't turn on that bell, you're not notified, and you may miss a video. And I am doing a video a week now, so I'm excited. Please let me know if you'd like to see something in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye.